Welcome back. Time to reset my timer and start it again. So we were here um, looking at the physical topology. Let me full screen this for a moment. Let's see. So basically, I'm kind of zooming in here, looking at the drop there, and red wires shooting out through the invisible ceiling. Oh, nice little X-ray mode. Always impresses people. I mean, come on. I mean, I know this is not impressive to any 3D animation major, but it looks cool, especially to someone as novice as I was working on this, where my skills were only solely supposed to be uh, computer networking. So red circles identifying the drops, and it'd be basically four drops, four jacks I mean, in each drop, and providing for the four computers in the little cubicle area. Okay, we see networking closet there. Let's go to the next floor. And here, let's see, what did I do with this? I have the access points here. You can see the little dots maybe. Well, on YouTube's compression, I have to export this high quality and you could see it maybe. But nonetheless, it's circled in blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Office, and do a little X-ray again. Was less impressive with this one moving around, but I think that just got the basic point across. I think I only had 20 minutes to do this presentation in any case, 20 or 30 minutes, forget. I did a lot of talking, I remember that. This was, okay, now we go through the individual appliances. And I took before I started doing this presentation, I took a preview at the video I just recorded, and Cam Studio records it quite nicely. So again, any lag that you would see here on this rotating word, Cisco Adaptive Security Appliance, it is PowerPoint, not Cam Studio. Can't even do a zoom fade properly. And the way Google 3D SketchUp has a mode in which you can basically model 3D buildings, and I use the same concept to model the routers. So I just basically went on Cisco.com. They already had 3D model, but it had no feature in which I could download it, and so I didn't know how to steal it off. Steal the Java file or whatever it was off and stick it in my presentation, so I just actually recreated it. I think this was the highest quality picture I could find, and there was like a random white space here that I couldn't get rid of. Alright, let's see what else. My AeroNet wireless access points, and I didn't know what to do with this in terms of an animation, so I just showed the four green boxes that represented them. It looks nicely. You could see some of the floors below and everything through the X-ray. This was my HP ProLiant. This was my wow. I'm getting all tongue-tied. My rack mount server. I didn't know about rack mount servers before this was, so this was pretty cool looking at that. And this was my storage server. Yeah, I thought all servers kind of look like that before I did the research. 3 terabytes, cool. Let's see. My firewall, I have the same typical 3D effect on it. Let's see what else. And this video will be pretty much short. There's not much after these products. My barcode, these are all wireless barcode scanners. I have the data sheet somewhere. They're actually pretty cool. Scan. I didn't know what else to put there. Cost of all the equipment in total. I have no idea what I was thinking about, just getting 1,000 feet of networking cable I was probably thinking that this was to make patch cables, maybe. And I don't include the jacks or anything. I don't know what the heck I was thinking, because if this was for wiring the entire building, um, 1,000 feet of cable would not have cut it, and plus you need a whole bunch of like L hooks, sometimes conduits, a whole bunch of different things. Now basically hooks and just racks and the ceiling would have done nicely. Total cost 52,000. I think that was one of the lowest budgets out of my class. So I'm pretty cool. Or maybe I didn't get a real price quote on any of these devices. Just looked up the price on the internet as best I could. Okay, a little overview, connection design, how it would look inside the server, where you would connect what. And that's my overall design. And this was my inquiries page. And I remember I got so mad because this video didn't play and it was just a blank black screen. I think same thing happened to another video. Oh, watch this. Rug, rug, rug. Tile randomly. I find that hilarious for some reason. Tile in the middle of rug. I was just like amazed. This is where the tile is actually supposed to be. I think we go and we follow a wire here. Yeah, go inside the jack. I'm so cool. In my red blocky wire. I don't think I have anything else to present. Um, but I guess I would have to say to anyone else who'd be interested in doing 3D modeling for computer networking, there are a lot more video tutorials out there to learn Google SketchUp, so you could actually learn this program quite quickly. It's very gets the point across. You could do what I did with the red wires, make them just red squares. You'll find that you'll be able to create them quite quickly if you don't focus on creating all the internal components of the wire, the stripe orange, stripe green, stripe blue, and blue green, and the jack shape and all that. That'll even be a bit consuming in terms of processing power. In any case, maybe I'll show you my next capstone project, which I'm planning, which is going to be more detailed. And this was the ending of my presentation. In closing, I'd like to thank, let's see, this was my mentor who helped me figure out helped me figure out security to some degree. My teacher, my mother, and my girlfriend. And I had her name bouncing like that because she was a real inspiration. So, wow, took up another 10 minutes with that. Anyway, take care, everyone.